Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Razr 60 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries because this operation is pretty similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your own browser. I do not have the internet connection and I think it might be an issue, so let me quickly fix that and I will come back to the steps. Alright, so now let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and go to delete browsing data. Here we've got some basic options like visited websites, opened tabs, cookies cache and other site data. Here you can change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, last 4 weeks or even all time, and then tap on delete data. However, if you'd like to remove some advanced browsing history, just tap on more options and here we've got them. So saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I'll remove everything. Here again, the time range, you can change it just by tapping on it and then tap on delete data. And we just got back, and because I've got some problems with the internet, I do not receive the information. However, you should see the notification from your browser that the browsing history was removed. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.